Juan, we are here in Bitcoin Day Panama. As a person who has started blockchain jungle in Costa Rica, and you're pioneering the region, right? You done it already multiple chapters, and the last one was amazing. Tons of people coming in from Panama, even one in Hong, which is like, doing this here was part of our business over there, right? So how do you see Panama coming in and then becoming this entire new conversation about the Bitcoin? How do you see the crossroad between Costa Rica, Panama, blockchain jungle, Bitcoin Day? What do you have in mind?
Yeah, I think this cross-pollination and always the fact that people like to travel to other places, meet people all around the world, it's part of the magic. So it's part of the added value. We need a hub, of course, that at least once a year takes that responsibility of gathering all the people in one place. So I think that's our role. We've been seeing people flying from all over the world, 50 plus countries last edition. And Panama was one of the most prominent in terms of attendance. So we want to make whole Central America and Latin America more robust, put it on the map, on the global map, and these synergies and cross-pollinations are vital for that mission.
What is this year? I know we're gonna prepare ourselves for the bigger event in Costa Rica. How do you see the vision for 2026 change based on what you have done for the last couple of months and since the last chapter?
We identified that all these events and every single crypto event need a bigger purpose beyond just we're a crypto event. We're just a tech event, or we're just an event where you can do networking. You need a bigger purpose, a bigger mission, something bigger than any of us. The world lives in just 17% of democracy. Most of the countries of the world live in certain degree of authoritarian regimes, and Bitcoin, blockchain, crypto is the freedom technology. It's a technology that is helping those in need of democracy and freedom. So we find out that blockchain jungle has been always that. We brought all the cypherpunks that literally created this whole ecosystem. Without them, we haven't been able to have Bitcoin. We had Nick Szabo, we had Phil Zimmerman. We have the original cypherpunks that came to blockchain jungle to talk about autocracy, to talk about dictatorship, to talk about democracy and freedom. Freedom is the most important thing that we have, and is the number one enabler of this technology. So our new purpose for 2026 is to make it even more clear that blockchain jungle is all about democracy and freedom. And that will give all the attendees, speakers, and everyone more meaning to attend the event, because they know they're working towards something bigger than themselves.
So we are expecting 2026 going to be much better. And going forward, do you see the vision of working with this entire ecosystem of Central America and outside to bring them in and then help them and support them? Because in a scaling, you are way bigger than every other project or event in the entire Latin America, right?
Of course.
How do you see that going to happen?
Yeah, of course, we are the biggest event in whole Latin America, both in attendance, in investment, in the speakers. We only have, in the first edition, it was only tier 1 speakers, Second edition, of course, we had a broader spectrum because we had 150 speakers, but our idea and our ethos is the same as the industry ethos. It's democratization. So we are up to help all the other organizers. We created a town hall with all the event organizers of Latin America. We have regular meetings with the organizers of all the events. Hey guys, how can we help? How can we share sponsors? How can we share speakers? Because we are working towards a bigger mission than just our brand.
Let me tell everyone who is going to watch this video and our audiences What is our trusted partner, and then we are doing so much great stuff together, which is like we don't really have a time to even express how much we have built so far. So you guys gonna stay tuned. We're gonna have lots of new things to be, showcases, rallies of app, and bunch more coming up. So thank you so much for today.
Thanks,
and then
for
God
having
bless you.